Well, here is Mushu. I've been looking for him for about 10 minutes. Far away from the house he is. Mushu, what are you doing? Mushu, come on. Oh my gosh, you are full of cockaburs. Come on, let's go to the house. Come on, Mushu, come on. We're gonna make our way back to the house, aren't we? Come on. So, you're gonna get all those cockaburs off yourself? Come on, Mushu, come on. Mushu, Mushu. Mushu, come on. Mushu. 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 Come on. Mushu. Full of cockaburs he is. And he told me he's going to get them out all by himself.
He will.
Mm-hmm. You're scaring him opening that pop. He ducked twice. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Mushu. That's just Robert over there. Mushu. There's spray by the front door. Okay. Back into your dirt spot. Okay.